Are you a company or developer who wants to build additional trading features on top of Cryptohopper? Apply and design your apps. In this video, you will learn what you can develop on Cryptohopper, how to apply as a developer, what an API is and how to use it, and how to release your app. What can be developed on Cryptohopper? There is a huge range of apps that you can develop on Cryptohopper, including additional technical indicators, trading signals based on AI, bridges and connectors, statistics, sharing data on other platforms, education apps, and more. How to apply as a developer. There are multiple ways to get access to Cryptohopper's API. Companies that are interested in developing an app on Cryptohopper's App Store can contact support@cryptohopper.com. Describe what you want to build, and we will reach out to you for a call to discuss the idea further. Master users, based on Cryptohopper's loyalty program, can apply and will be automatically approved as a developer. Individual traders can use their API connection for themselves, and there is no need to publish your app in Cryptohopper's App Store. Go to cryptohopper.com/developers and apply to become a developer. Marketplace sellers have the perk to get approved straight away. Reach out to our support and we will follow up on it. What is an API and how can you use it as a developer? An application programming interface, or API, is a connection between computers or between computer programs. It is a type of software interface, offering a service to other pieces of software. Cryptohopper uses Exchange APIs to integrate exchanges, and it allows data to be sent and received between the exchanges and Cryptohopper. The same applies to Cryptohopper's API. You can connect external software to Cryptohopper to execute actions on Cryptohopper. The app developer also receives details about the things the hopper has done for a user. This data is used by the developer to show trades, statistics, and more. Cryptohopper offers multiple tutorials to assist developers with creating their apps. You can find these at cryptohopper.com/developers. It's recommended to follow these tutorials. On the same webpage, you can also find all the API endpoints that Cryptohopper offers. How to release your app. When you think your app is ready for the prime time, check out the tutorial Publishing an App in the Marketplace. Reach out to support@cryptohopper.com. We will support you with a successful launch. That's all for now. You've just learned what you can develop on Cryptohopper, how to apply as a developer, what an API is and how to use it, and how to release your app.